and a little bit of salt and a little bit what? And a flour, a bag of flour. It's very big. You can put it's all of them, and so you see that shacks. This is the shacks that I use in the floor, the back of the floor, and that is the milk. Is it the milk? The milk bag. So I put in there, and half in there. But I use is one of the half of milk and a little bit of oil. And also that I also know about something incredible. Just using something about that. And I use food with them. But how to squash it is nicely. Comment below. Choose and says. Like say my name. Also what ingredients is. And I'll start. You see that noise? This one. Squash it is. Okay, I use this one and this one. Okay, you see? And I also put that in this one and this one. Is it a noise? Okay, let me check. It's so, you know, I put some oil in there for them to check up. But let me show you about this, how horrible it is. You see? It's beautiful? Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, let me squash. Okay, you see I don't use to put in there. Look. Like a superhero, of course. And actually also that is very easy to do. Okay. Maybe like that. Twist nicely. Okay. And I also show this was incredible a bit, and I squash. When it's better, it's also squash. It's all. It's squash, and now, mommy, can I put in it? Okay. Now to squash again. Better. And now let's put it. But wait, I need to put this one here so that everyone see it. No, I wasn't. Maybe I'm hiding. Okay. A little bit of it. And you need to crush it around a bit. Shiny up. And this is all of my. Maybe I use this one and I crush this up. Hey, come on. And crush again. Maybe it's also good and smell good because you know that smell. I put some vanilla. You need to squash this around. Finish it clearly. Finish. Oh, I need to put it on here. And so like that. And this is terrible because I used them. And every bowl of them was squashed with this to make body cake. Slowly down with them. How coarse is this? Maybe I use this one to clean it up because it's a course of by making a cake. Not to crush that. Maybe let's start cooking. But I need this one for course into over there. Okay. This here, but I need to put this in here because I know how to. And I also use with my pancake. No, not pancake, not your cake. below and show it. And maybe I sniff them. No. Maybe I was gorgeous. Okay. Maybe a little. Super delicious. It's very sweet. Maybe people make this one from using a cream butter. And you should crush it all with it. When my cake finishes, I pour it all around them. Like useful, like a princess cake. I love it. If you love, please subscribe to my channel. That's one thing. And next is comment below, ring the bells, and thumbs up, and cheers. That's one thing you need to do. And this is slowly, and I also do it with this. You see? And yes. Listen. Brother, come on! Put it very slowly voice. Because my brother watch TV. Okay, and there he is. There he is.
Where? What?
Maybe he like to be or always of them. Okay,